Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In today's session, we will learn about the booting in computer system. What is booting? Booting is a startup sequence that starts the operating system of a computer when the system is turned on. So booting is a startup sequence that starts the operating system of a computer when the system is turned on. So booting is that process in a computer system. It prepares the operating system to start, to be ready when we turn on the computer. In simple terms, booting is a process of loading an operating system from secondary storage to main memory. There are two important components of booting. The first one is BIOS, that is BIOS. BIOS means basic input output system. Basic input output system. And the second is POST, power on self test. Power on self test. There are two types of booting, that is cold booting. When the computer is started after having been switched off, this process is known as cold booting. When the computer is started after having been switched off. जब कंप्यूटर को स्विच ऑफ किया जाता है तो उसके बाद जब इसको हम ऑन करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज कोल्ड बूटिंग. द सेकंड इज वार्म बूटिंग. Warm booting, when the computer is restarted without being switched off after a system crash or any failure, is known as warm booting. When the computer is restarted without switched off after a system crash or any failure. This was about the booting and its different types. The rest will be discussed in the next session. Thanks.